3 signs that he wants a long-term relationship with you. You've been together for a while now, and even though he has shown you that he loves you, you do not feel confident about whether your partner is in a future with you. Clear your doubts. These are the 3 unambiguous signs that he wants your relationship to be long-term. Do you want to know if he loves you in his life forever? Pay attention to his attitudes, such as 1. Involves you in plans with his family. It is perhaps one of the most important ones, unless his relationship with his family is bad or non-existent, but integrating you with the people he loves most will always be a good sign. 2. Talking about short and long-term plans. If he is not afraid to touch sensitive topics such as children, living together, or simply planning your next vacation, it means that he feels 100% comfortable with yourself and, above all, that he has the confidence to talk about anything. 3. Explain in detail what is considered a betrayal. He clearly needs to know what is important to you, but he also wants you to know what he is not willing to tolerate. According to some psychologists, this indicates that he wants an exclusive relationship and that he also cares about your feelings. To learn more about 3 signs that he wants a long-term relationship with you, download my book free by clicking the book image on the right or the link in the description below, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video.